Struggling to know if you're really ready for the M ASCP exam? Here's the truth. Most students fail not because they don't know the material, but because they never practice with the right kind of M ASCP mock exams before test day. That's why in this video, I'll show you the 3 best mock exam resources that will give you a real measure of your readiness. And yes, we'll also look at MLSI Academy, which I consider the most complete option for future certified professionals. By the end, you'll know exactly where to focus so you can walk into your exam with confidence. Let's get into the list. Number 3. Board Vitals M ASCP Mock Exam. Board Vitals offers timed practice exams with ASCP-style questions. The interface is similar to a test simulation environment. It's strong in hematology, chemistry, and microbiology coverage. Explanations can feel brief compared to other providers. It's a solid option if you want repetition and timed drills. Number 2. ExamEdge M ASCP Mock Exam. ExamEdge provides multiple practice exams with thousands of categorized questions. You get instant scoring and performance breakdowns by subject area. Each test is designed to feel like the real computer-based exam. However, question explanations are limited in depth. This works best for students seeking volume and confidence through repetition. Number 1. MLSI M ASCP Mock Exam QBank from MLSI Academy. MLSI Academy offers the most comprehensive exam readiness package. You get live online classes taught by subject experts. Every class recording is available on demand for review. The study guide ebook removes fluff and emphasizes high-yield concepts. A custom study plan keeps you accountable until exam day. Their How to Pass ASCP action plan simplifies strategy step by step. And the biggest advantage? For distinct types of question banks, Q and ANTH, A quizzes, practice exams, and full-length mock exams. Each format measures knowledge differently, ensuring balanced preparation. This multi-layer approach helps identify weak spots and build exam stamina. Because of these combined benefits, MLSI Academy's mock exam program stands out as the most complete and effective ASCP readiness choice. So let's recap. Board Vitals is best for timed simulation practice. ExamEdge is strong if you want sheer volume and subject drills. But MLSI Academy stands above because it blends live teaching, guided plans, no-fluff materials, and 4 distinct exam formats into one system. If you're serious about passing, the M ASCP mock exam from MLSI Academy gives you the clearest path to exam day confidence. Before you go, remember this. Taking a mock exam isn't just about testing knowledge, it's about testing readiness. The right practice format shows you whether you're really exam day prepared. Use these resources wisely, and you'll avoid the trap of memorizing without mastering. In the next video, we're going to talk about M ASCP mentorship and how having guided support can dramatically reduce study time while improving results. So if you don't want to miss that, subscribe right now and turn on notifications. Also, let me know in the comments, which mock exam resource are you planning to use first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session.